Here's one more waterfall on the way up to Mount Pilchuck trailhead. Beautiful little waterfall coming down here. This is a beautiful lush area here in Mount Baker-Snoqualmie National Forest in the state of Washington. So here's one of the beautiful waterfalls that's along the way up to the top of Mount Pilchuck, where I did my activation day for 4530. I don't know if you can see that. There's a lot of water that's coming up above that, right through that tree right there. Yeah, I can see it right through a big waterfall that's coming down, probably about 40 feet from up there. Really beautiful. It's spacing up here, just along the road up the way to Mount Pilchuck trailhead. So I got a little closer so you can see the waterfall here. Just a beautiful area. You can see where all the water, the logs and trees have come down from all the different snowpacks and different things. Just a beautiful area. And just see right here, there's all the water. Just a really cool area up here in state of Washington, Mount Baker-Snoqualmie National Forest, 4530.